What is average speed? How can we solve various problems relating to the average speed? Let us learn all these things in this video. Assume a car is going through a dense forest. Total distance in the forest is 150 kilometers. Time taken by the car to cover the distance is 3 hours. Then average speed is equal to total distance by total time, that is equal to 150 by 3 is equal to 50 km per hour. It doesn't mean that car moved with 50 km speed throughout the journey, because speed of the car may be slow at the curved roads, or maybe the car speed is very high when there is no curves. We don't consider all these things while we are calculating average speed. So the average speed is total distance covered in unit time. SI units for speed is meter per second. Since meter per second is a small unit, in daily life we use kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 meter by 3600 second, that is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. If you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we have to multiply with 5 by 18. Likewise, 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. If you want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we need to multiply with 18 by 5. Let us understand how to solve all type of problems of average speed very easily. Students find it very difficult to solve problems when different distances, different speeds, different times are given. But here I tell you a very simple formula to solve all types of problems on average speed. That is, average speed is equal to total distance by total time. V is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3 by t1 plus t2 plus t3. This is the only formula to solve all types of problems on average speed. Whatever may be the values given in the problem, only values we need are distance and time. If distance is not given, find it using the formula d is equal to v into t. Likewise, if time is not given, find it using the formula t is equal to d by v. Let us solve different types of problems and average speed. Case 1. When different distances, different times are given. Problem 1. A car traveled 200 meters in 6 seconds, next 100 meters in 4 seconds, and next 150 meters in 5 seconds. Find average speed. Here, different distances and different times are given. Note down the values. First distance d1 is equal to 200 meters, time t1 is equal to 6 seconds. Second distance d2 is equal to 100 meters, time t2 is equal to 4 seconds. Third distance d3 is equal to 150 meters, time t3 is equal to 5 seconds. Then average speed v is equal to total distance by total time is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3 by t1 plus t2 plus t3. We all know the d values and t values. Substitute the values in the above formula. Then 200 plus 100 plus 150 by 6 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 450 by 15 is equal to 30 meter per second. Average speed of the car is equal to 30 meter per second. Case 2. Different distances and different speeds are given. Next problem. A car covers half the distance at a speed of 50 km per hour, the other half at 40 km per hour. Then find the average speed of the car. Here different distances and different speeds are given. Note down the given values. First half distance d1 is equal to d by 2. Second half distance d2 is equal to d by 2. First speed v1 is equal to 50 km per hour. Second speed v2 is equal to 40 km per hour. As I already told you, all the values we need to solve the problem is distance and time. Here distance is given, we need to find the time using the formula. First half time t1 is equal to d1 by v1. Here d and v values are given. d1 value d by 2 by 50, that is equal to d by 100. Second half time t2 is equal to d2 by v2 is equal to d by 2 by 40, that is equal to d by 80. Then average speed v is equal to t1 plus d2 by t1 plus t2. We already know the d values and t values. Substitute the value in the above formula. Is equal to d by 2 plus d by 2 by d by 100 plus d by 100. Half d is equal to 1d by LCM for 180, that is 400. If you simplify the equation, d by 9d by 400 is equal to d into 400 by 9d. If you cancel d and d, we get 400 by 9, that is equal to 44.44 km per hour. Average speed is equal to 44.44 km per hour. Case 3, when different time intervals and different speeds are given. Problem 3. A car travels at a speed of 80 km per hour during first half of its running time and 40 km per hour during the other half. Find the average speed of the car. Now note down the values. Here first half time t1 is equal to t by 2. Second half time t2 is equal to t by 2 seconds. First half speed v1 is equal to 80 km per hour. Second half speed v2 is equal to 40 km per hour. As I already told you, all the values we need is distance d and time. Here time is given, distance we need to find by using the formula. First half distance d1 is equal to v1 into t is equal to 80 into t by 2, that is equal to 40t. Second half distance d2 is equal to v2 into t2, that is equal to 40 into t by 2 is equal to 20t. Then average speed v is equal to d1 plus d2 by t1 plus t2. So we know that d1 d2 values, t1 t2 values, substitute them in the above formula. Is equal to 40t plus 20t by t by 2 plus t by 2, that is equal to 60t by t. If we cancel t and t, we get 60 km per hour. The average speed of the car is equal to 60 km per hour. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, Amazing Videos for Physics.